Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to go ahead and show you all how we can actually add a background color to our Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So maybe there's a slide that you want to add a background color to, or maybe you want to apply this background color to all of your slides. So I'll show you how to do both. So let's say we wanted to go ahead and apply our background color to our title slide. I'm going to go ahead and select it here from our slide deck. Then I'm going to come over here to Design. From Design, let's come over here to Customize, and let's go ahead and select Format Background. Now from here we have some different options such as Solid Fill, Gradient Fill. Do we want to add a picture to our background? Do we want to add a pattern? There's some different patterns that are built into Microsoft PowerPoint, but what we can do, let's go ahead and add a background color. So let's make sure Solid Fill is selected. Come over here to Color, and maybe I want to make this color, the background color, blue. So I'm going to go ahead and select it, and then with transparency, I can actually change it where I can lighten it a little bit so it's not as dark, or I can just leave it where it was, the original color. Now that I have it applied to this first slide, I can always reset the background if I would like to, or I can go ahead and apply it to everything. So now that I went ahead and applied it to everything though, you can see down here for reset background, that is no longer clickable for us. So what we need to do is I could just always undo this by doing Control Z. And now it's only applied to this original slide, and I could always select reset background and take me right back to where I was.